Hello my friends, today we are going to draw and paint a simple winter landscape that shows a sense of space. Now, we talked about space and how when we're drawing a landscape, or anything for that matter, objects that are closer to us appear bigger. Objects that are further away appear smaller. So we're going to practice that today with our winter tree landscape. So first thing you're going to do is put your name on the back of your paper, and with a black crayon you are going to decide where your horizon line is, where your sky meets the land. Now mine is kind of like a curvy line. Doesn't have to be perfect, doesn't have to be straight, can be really whatever you'd like. I'm gonna do another kind of curvy hill. Now we're gonna draw the trunks of our trees first, so that way we make sure we have the right size. So I start in the back and I draw some shorter trees. So some short lines, because they are smaller. Now, that's in my sort of background. Now the middle ground, I'm gonna draw lines that are a little bit bigger. They're like twice the size, you see? A little bit bigger. I drew 4 that were a little bit bigger. And now in my foreground, I'm gonna draw my biggest trees. So really, really large trunks. Do you see how they go from big to medium to small? Yours should look the same. Now I go through all my trees and I do 3 curved lines coming off of each side of the trunk. 1, 2, 3. They're curved. 1, 2, 3. Let me show you close up. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. With a little tiny bit at the bottom. 3. 1, 2, 3. For the trunk. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. See how they are curved lines? 1, 2, 3 on one side, 1, 2, 3 on the other side. 1, 2, 3. Now, as my trees get bigger, so do my lines. 1, 2, 3. They're going to be quite large at the forefront of my picture. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. These are kind of my guidelines of where the branches will be. See, small, medium, large. Now I'm going to go in with my black crayon and I'm going to fill in between those curved lines with a few more curved lines to make like fluffy branches. So I'm just repeating those lines but filling in the center. Adding more branches. Making these beautiful winter trees a little fluffier. Just repeating those lines. Adding some fluffy branches. Beautiful. Take your time with this. Now, I'm going to put my black crayon down and I'm picking up my white crayon. I am going to draw in the snowflakes in the sky. So, white crayon on white paper, you can't really see it, so you've got to pay close attention. I'm going to start on one side and move my way to the other. So I'm just drawing a bunch of little circles. I'm pressing pretty hard, and although you can't see your snowflakes now, it's going to be like magic when we paint them in. So paying attention, lots and lots of little snowflakes, just little tiny circles, and it's gonna be like magic. Lots and lots of snowflakes. So when you're done drawing all your circles, now you're going to get to choose from your cool color temper cakes. Now I love fading blue into purple. I think it looks like a beautiful winter sky. If you want to do green and blue, you can, or you can do purple and blue. but you cannot do green and purple because green and purple mix together and make kind of a muddy color. So you all are gonna do blue, and you get to pick an accent color. Blue and green or blue and purple. So I'm gonna take my water and my brush, and I'm gonna say, wake up, blue. Wake up, blue, and I am going to paint. Look at what appears. My beautiful little snowflakes. Love that. And I'll do green to demonstrate green. I'm gonna say, wake up, green. I washed my brush in between colors so I don't mix them, and I'm gonna start from the other side. And I'm gonna blend the green right into the blue, just like that. And that's how you make a sky blend. So remember, you're using blue and green or blue and purple. You get to decide. You're gonna put it on the drying rack, and you are all done. Cannot wait to see your beautiful winter landscapes.